So the Sustainability Discovery Workshop is really unique to the University of Hull, and that's because it's something that we've developed out of our unique expertise in logistics and supply chain, coupled with systems thinking, which Hull University Business School is a world leader in. It's to really identify the gaps and opportunities for organisations to help them progress on their sustainability journey. Tapping into cutting edge research, which is really important, because that can really accelerate the transformation. And most importantly, that research will drive an innovative way to transform, which isn't readily available in the marketplace. It creates impact in terms of financial impact, in terms of social value impact, in terms of sustainability and environmental performance impact. It enables organisations to get clarity on their current state, understand what the opportunities are, so that they can progress and deliver some transformation relatively quickly in their organisation.